I'm here with Mount St. Mary's women's lacrosse head coach BJ Lucy. Today the Mount fell in the Northeast Conference Championship game, 15-3 to Quinnipiac. It was their fifth time in the NAC Championship game. Coach, why don't you give me your initial thoughts on the game?
You know, I just thought Quinnipiac played out of this world. You know, they really were here on a mission, and I know that they felt that way all season. And you know, they came out, you know, just better than us today. And you know, we had a couple opportunities early that didn't go our way, and it was hard to, you know, gain momentum back from them.
Now, reflecting on your season, you started out in Navy early in February, and you got all the way to here. How does it feel to get to this game, and you know, how much hard work did it take to get here?
You know, these kids have been through so much in the last year that, you know, the adversity that they went through. You know, they are just the greatest kids in the world, and they, you know, really worked hard this, you know, year earlier before the game. We really reflected. We thought about that Navy game and how far we've come, and I'm proud of each and every one of them.
Let's talk about some of your seniors. Allie Joes, the 2011 Defensive Player of the Year, and was a member of the All-Tournament team, and then Lucy Pompa, who injured herself earlier and actually got an assist in today's game. What have they meant to the program?
You know, I told the seniors after the game that, you know, they left this program better than they found it, and I believe that each one of us had an impact on, you know, myself and each one of their teammates, and they left this program better than they found it, and they're three awesome seniors.
All right, thanks, Coach, for your time, and thanks for a great season.
Thank you.
Mount St. Mary's senior Allie Jost, the 2011 and 2009 Defensive Player of the Year. Allie, you guys, you finished your career on a high note by making the NAC Championship game. How did it feel to actually be able to play in the championship game before your career ended?
It was great. You know, we had been so close my past 3 years. It was really great to make it to the second round and be able to play in the championship.
You played well all 4 years at Mount St. Mary's. Reflecting now on your career, how do you feel?
I feel, you know, it's been a very rewarding career at the Mount. You know, we might not have come away with the championship every year, but, you know, I love the program, and, you know, I've loved my teammates and the coaches, and it's been a really great experience, and I feel very fortunate to be a part of it.
All right, Allie, thanks for your time, and thanks for a great career.
Thanks.